Smart contracts are a key part of the blockchain. Originally, blockchains were designed as a giant alternative payment network for one-way transactions between peers. With the creation of blockchain virtual machines, it enabled smart contracts to be built on top of blockchains. From then on, the blockchain became a base layer upon which anything could be built. Ethereum developed the first instance of a virtual machine for blockchain technology. The Ethereum virtual machine has seen wide adoption, with popular Layer 1 blockchains such as BNB Smart Chain, Avalanche, and Tron being built as a fork of the EVM, not to mention the many EVM-compatible Layer 2s being built today. Through the EVM, developers can easily port existing applications across EVM-compatible blockchains with minimal code changes. However, the Solana Virtual Machine, one of the newest prototypes of a virtual machine built to power smart contract blockchains, is emerging as a competitor. According to developers, Solana VM was built from scratch with technologies that focus on high performance and overall agility. In this video you will learn what virtual machine is. You will also learn about Solana Virtual Machine and how it works. So let's get to it. What exactly is a virtual machine? Virtual machines are a software emulation of the computer system, which can run an operating system, along with installing and executing applications. Traditionally, users ran a VM as sandbox environments that are fully isolated from their main computer operating system. Think of a VM as a separate room within your house, complete with its own furniture, decorations, and rules. You can enter this room and do whatever you want without worrying about damaging the rest of the house. If anything goes wrong or gets messy in that room, you can simply clean it up or even reset it entirely without affecting the rest of your house. However, while traditional virtual machines are isolated sandboxes or rooms as the illustration states, blockchain virtual machines function as the execution layer of the network for decentralized applications. Blockchain VMs are decentralized, where nodes on the network run an instance of the blockchain's virtual machine on their device, compute state changes, and monitor state changes suggested by other validators to achieve consensus, ensuring that the records of transactions are properly recorded on the network. So then, what is the Solana Virtual Machine? The Solana Virtual Machine handles smart contract transactions for the Solana blockchain. Built with Rust programming language, the developers claim that the SVM is adjusted for high-demand conditions and designed to handle transactions in the most efficient way. As a virtual machine, the SVM operates as a virtualized processing machine tasked with the role of handling smart contract deployment, processing transactions, and other requests from these contracts. The SVM supports diverse smart contract applications including GameFi, DeFi applications, and other decentralized applications. Like the EVM, Solana VM is a modular machine where it can be deployed alongside other components, e.g. data availability/consensus layer, to build decentralized networks with little or no changes to its original form. Alright, so how does it work? At the core of the Solana VM's operation is the parallel transaction processing model. By structuring the Solana blockchain to process multiple transactions simultaneously instead of sequentially, it can offer higher throughput while enabling scalability. Without boring you with a lot of technical jargons, let me share my final thought with you on the Solana Virtual Machine. The Solana Virtual Machine prioritizes high throughput, a feature sought after by a big section of blockchain developers. It was built to deliver at speed and cost less than most other processing machines, which contributes immensely to the overall popularity of the Solana blockchain. With the Solana network now achieving success and adoption, we are seeing early adoption of the Solana VM by other projects, similar to the earlier path taken by EVM. These projects are either building directly on what has been achieved by the Solana network, or creating their own stack using other modular components. Furthermore, this will also make Solana a very big competitor for the Ethereum blockchain and its features. The Solana community has been a big popular chain for the last few months, with many developers building different projects on its network. What's then stopping the Solana coin market cap from surpassing Ethereum at 370 billion plus? Let me know what you think in the comment section about this. Surely the SVM will contribute toward more builds on Solana, and anyone who's been in this space knows what that could lead to on the form of capital going into the Solana ecosystem. Guys, this is not financial advice.
Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Share and subscribe to encourage the work that we do. Don't forget to check the description below for our Telegram channel link, where we would be sharing fascinating crypto information. Till I see you again, stay curious and keep learning.